Hello everybody, the purpose of this video is to show you how to clean the filter from this transmitter from RVR. This unit is a TEX 2003 TFT, but the other ones are equipped with the same kind of filter, and it's more or less the same way to remove it and to clean it. So first of all, be very careful because we have some warranty seals. If the unit is still under warranty, don't do this. Wait until the warranty is over. You need also some tools. Basically, I use the vacuum cleaner tools to remove dust, also a cloth, and to unscrew and to screw. You need this kind of screwdriver, which is very nice because you can limit the force you exercise on the screw. Be minded also that there are two types of heads. There is a small one and a bigger one for different size of screw. These screws are the front plate screws, and these ones are from the cover. So don't mix them together because they are different and have different length. So once the unit, this one of course has been already cleaned. Once you open the cover, you can see all the components. Yeah, obviously here it's already cleaned, but it might be very dusty. So two ways to clean it, as I mentioned. Either you use a vacuum cleaner, and for me this is the best option because you don't have a lot of dust all around you. If you use some pressure device, you have to wear a protection mask not to inhale all these dusts. So you see the filter here is stuck in between the front plate and the chassis, the frame of this transmitter. So there is no way you can remove it because there are some screws in between, and if you try just to pull it, you will completely destroy the filter. So you need to unscrew all the screws from the front plate, and once it's done, I'll show you what is behind quickly. So here we are. You have the filter here with, all these screw places. And this is why you have to remove the front plate, because otherwise you cannot lift, you cannot remove the filter. So the filter also, personally, I clean it with this kind of vacuum cleaner, which is a very nice one, because it has a HEPA filter that filters very well the dust. So less danger for that with this kind of vacuum cleaner if you are sensible to dust. Okay, once it's done, of course, you just have to do a reversal job. So replace all the screws and close the box correctly. Of course, be careful not to forget anything inside, like a screwdriver, like tool, or some screws that you have missed inside. So I wish you a very nice job, and see you soon for another video. Thank you very much.